Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of audio technology. Today, we're addressing a common issue with the Bose Wave Music System, troubleshooting AM and FM radio reception problems. Let's dive in. Verify the product. If the system is a non-US variant, it will have different radio channel spacing. This spacing cannot be changed. You will have to exchange for the correct variant. Be sure the system is tuned to a local radio station. Try other local stations in the area. If you're having difficulty selecting a particular station, it may be too far to receive reception. Reposition the power cord to improve reception. The radio power cord is also the FM antenna. Straighten the power cord as much as possible to optimize reception. If the cord needs to be bundled, bundle the excess power cord near the power outlet, not near the radio. Check for sources of FM interference. Your system uses its power cord as the FM antenna. It may be picking up interference from devices connected to the same power circuit or from devices within a few feet of the power cord. To eliminate sources of interference, follow these steps. Determine which of the following devices are either within 3 feet of or are connected to the same power circuit as the power cord. Charger for electric devices, television, cable or satellite box, dimmer switch, fluorescent energy-saving lights, blinking seasonal lights, microwave or other appliance. Unplug any devices on the same power circuit or near the power cord to eliminate them as possible sources of interference. For devices that cannot be unplugged, connect the Bose power cord to a different outlet, one that is not connected to the same circuit as the devices listed. If another power outlet is not available or is not known to be on a different circuit, relocate the Bose system. Once the source or sources of interference have been identified, it may be possible for the Bose system to be connected to the same power circuit, though its power cord would need to be kept at least 3 feet away from the other devices and their power cords. An optional FM dipole antenna can be connected to your product. Without an FM antenna connected, the power cord acts as the FM antenna. If reception is weak, you can connect an external antenna to the FM jack on the back of your product. To improve reception, stretch out the antenna as much as possible, then move it around to find the best area of reception. Be sure the antenna is connected properly. There are 3 3.5mm jacks on the back of the radio. The antenna connection is to the left of the multi-pin Bose link jack. When the dipole antenna is connected, the antenna built into the power cord will be disconnected from the tuner circuit. This is done to prevent multipath interference and to eliminate any electrical noise being picked up by the power cord antenna from the power circuit. Try a different power outlet. Connect your product to a different power outlet. If the issue is resolved, there is an issue at the first outlet. Try other solutions. Many radio stations can be streamed from the internet through a computer. Depending on the location of the computer, as well as the availability of the radio stations on the internet, one of the following options may provide a resolution. The computer can be hardwired to the system's auxiliary input. The Wave Bluetooth music adapter can wirelessly stream audio to the system. The Wave 3 dock, in combination with the Bose Internet Radio app, will allow for audio to play from the internet through an iPod or iPhone. Note: play pause, volume, and transport controls of the Wave Connect kit do not work with the Bose Internet Radio app. If a Wave Connect kit is connected, move it to the right side of the radio and turn off the iPod. To minimize AM reception interference, the dock for the Wave Connect kit should be located on the right side of the system. Turning off the iPod iPhone will also aid in reducing AM interference. Be sure the system is tuned to a local radio station. Try other local stations in the area. If you're having difficulty selecting a particular station, it may be too far to receive reception. Try rotating the radio slightly. Signals from an AM station are directional. The radio has an internal AM antenna. Rotate the radio slightly to see if reception improves. If it does, continue rotating in the same direction. When reception starts to degrade, slightly rotate the radio in the opposite direction. If the radio is deep within a building, the AM signal may be blocked. Try moving the radio closer to an outside wall or window. Check if the issue occurs at night. Government regulations require some radio stations to lower their broadcast signal strength at night. This may cause a station with good daytime reception to have poor nighttime reception. Check for sources of interference. Electronics can pick up interference from other electronics connected to the same power circuit or connected within close proximity. Try disconnecting the power cord from any such nearby electronics, i.e. laptop, phone charger, TV, cable box, seasonal lights, microwave, etc. If the issue is resolved, try connecting the device or your product to a different power circuit or farther away. Try an AM proximity antenna. If the problem is limited to certain stations, try the Turk AM Advantage antenna. This proximity antenna should help eliminate noise and interference. Place the antenna on the left side of the system, parallel with the tapered edge. Still having issues? We're here to help. USAV Solutions specializes in used Bose products, including home theater systems, wave radio systems, portable speakers, computer speakers, and speaker accessories. We guarantee the best prices with exceptional customer service. Visit us at usavshop.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more audio tech tips and solutions.